How to connect Google Sheets to n8n workflow. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can just connect your Google Sheets to n8n. First thing you're going to have to do is come to your n8n workflow, create a new workflow, click on this plus icon, and then search for Google Sheets. And select this. Now just go ahead and click on, there are 3 triggers that you can choose. So let's just select any one of them. Once you have done that, you can just go ahead and add this from here. Now, what you're going to do next is go to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your account, select a project, and create a new project. Once you create it, let's just name it n8n test. And from here, click on create. Now, once you have created your project, what you're going to have to do is select the project, and you'll find this option here. So you'll have your project information from the left side. Now you're going to have to head over to API and services, click on it. Just wait for it to load. Now, once this is selected here, you're going to have to enable APIs and services. All right, so once you get to this page, now simply go ahead and search for Google Sheets here. And just find Google Sheets API. Search for it, click on it, and enable the API. Once you enable this, wait for it to completely download on your cloud. Now here you'll find the enabled APIs and services. You're going to have to go to credentials. So just go back and then go to credentials. Here you need to make sure that you have selected this. So just simply go ahead and you're going to have to create a credential. So just click on it and then click on the enable APIs and services. Now, once you have created your API, click on this create credentials option. And once you click on it, you'll be taken to another page to manage your credentials. Here, you're going to have to click and choose user data. Tap on next. Now you're going to have to name your app. So let's just name it n8n test for now. Here on user support email, just select your default email. And on your developer's contact info, just enter your email as well. Now just click on save and continue. Now on the next part, you're going to have to select your scopes. So just click on add or remove scopes. Here you're just going to have to find the Google API services. So let's just select a row per page. Let's just select 100. Scroll down and you're going to have to find the Google Sheets API services. Select all of these. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on update. All right, so once that is done, all of this is done. Now click on save and continue. Now let's move on to the next step to add your auth client ID. Select your application type, select web application. And here you're going to have to go ahead and add a URI. So just click on add URI. Now in this case, what you're going to have to do is go here, double click on your workflow that you've created. Now from here, what you're going to have to do is find the URI link. So from here, you're going to have to go ahead and select a credential and create a new one. Here, click on auth2. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and sign in with Google to continue to create the auth credential. Just wait for a bit, select all, and then click on continue. And once this is successful, you're going to have to simply go ahead and copy this. Wait for a bit. Now select create new credential. Now all you have to do here, and once you paste your credential here, once you get it from here, just copy it and then just paste it here. Once that is done, click on done. And then from here, all you have to do is just go here. And once all of this is created, click on save, go back and close this out. The final step is if you just double click on this, it will automatically execute the program. So when you're going to have to click on execute workflow. And if you have the access token, it will create a new spreadsheet on your Google Sheets. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.